A volcano is like a mountain, but it erupts and makes lots of hot lava in it. But instead of lava, we're going to be using real chemicals that you can find in a volcano. Look at that, Bubbles. Now we just have to mix them. Stir, stir, stir. We're going to take this and put it in here. We want to add a little bit of dish soap so that our reaction will be nice and fast and big. All right, Bubbles, you ready to see our volcano erupt? How about you, little learners? Oh, don't be scared, Bubbles, it's gonna be okay. Ready? Here we go. Look at it go! Wow, look at our volcano erupt! Whoosh.